Outdoor Carlos from Bushcraft Africa YouTube channel, and today
not turning. Oh God, I'm fucking up. This is when I slept. You see? Let me show you that side. I'm feeling tired. Let me show you a nice view. My view this morning. Okay. Acha kwanza na record. Oh, you see. That is my morning view. So the sunrise comes from there. And look at the neighbor I have. Somebody just wake up. I have a duck here. My plants have gone deep in the water. So this is that view, the other side. This is that view. That is the view I have this morning. It is good. Each morning I feel good. I feel warm. This one, my sleeping bag was kind of very helpful. I manage. Now, what plans do I have today? Plans I have today, I have to dismantle the tent. Then I go for hiking. Okay. So, after here, I need to make a tea. I need to wake up. I need to make butter, a bread with honey. Like, look, the outdoor boy is what he does. It is good.
imagine living in the jungle. Someone lives in the jungle. Look at that view. Look at that view. Oh my God. This is why I appreciate the nature. Please keep the trees. Always make sure you keep the trees. Trees have good vibe. By the way, I'm going that side. I'm going there. Are people there? I can see people, maybe. I'm going there. I'm going to swim inside. And I'm going to camp again today there with my new tent today. Imagine being a jungle alone. How sweet is this? To be honest, I'm fucking tired, but for adventure, I'm in for adventure. Look at this acacia trees. Oh, our road gets short here. Oh, look at those birds. Oh god, I think you go that way, there's no road. This way there is road. I was supposed to go to hike on those two hills yesterday, but I changed my mind, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna do those. We're gonna summit that. But today, for three consecutive days, I've been hiking, walking in the bush, and I'm not going to continue to do that today. So today I'm going to have a relaxing mind somewhere in the river, in the lake. Day 3 of me camping alone in a lake. By the way, I was in the rainforest down there, but I will be. I've walked. I've hiked for long. So I need to put my tent down here. First of all, before you put a tent, you need to look for ants, because in the rainforest I saw some ants. So you need to be sure of ants down here. As I can see, nothing else. I am tired. I don't want even to carry these things. Oh my god. Where we are? I can dip myself in the water, then I'll come and change into new clothes, because I haven't showered from yesterday. Oh god. It is too cold. I need to get in the hot water, so bear with me. I'm going to the hot water. after the bath, I need to make some meat, some steak. See how deep is this water? Let's see how deep. Oh, I'm stepping on stones. There is a lot of stones here where I am, but when I was walking the other side, it was good. Let me show you something magical. Let me show you something magical. You see? You see? Okay, look at those views. How amazing is that? You see? This is how deep is it. I'm very, very far deeper, but there is a lot of like something holding my legs down there. Something like mud. I'm walking mud. Ooh. Who say I cannot go at the center? You know, I was dreaming of going at the center. At the center of this thing. 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 Oh, it is almost raining the other side. You see? You see? That is the rain. The other side is the rain. By then I came from that side. I was in that side of the river. I love to show you, like, there is a good hill here, and there is people. I don't want to put people who have come for a park inside my video. Like there, you see that? That is a sleeping warrior. You see those hills? Those are sleeping warriors, the famous sleeping warriors. Yeah, let's go. Yo. Yeah. So guys, how are you guys? You see how cool is that? How cool is that? The weather is very calm, it's very beautiful, it's very demure. Guys, Flamingos are back.